Hey guys, Dual Dog here. So we got a new project today. It is getting the Ford Fusion ready for driving. I haven't driven it since about the middle of December, something like that. And then the snow hit, and that car is just not good for snow. No, even with snow tires on, it's too low. Just no. Okay, so we got to turn it around, move the truck out of the way, give it a little vacuum because it's kind of dirty inside from when I stopped driving. It's got, like sand, dirt, McDonald's wrappers, you name it. Battery might even be dead. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's go. First off, let's see if the old boy starts. Okay, got the key. Everything's a fob. No key involved. Will it start? Yeah, I don't know. Guess we'll see. Yeah, let's see if it'll start before we do anything like move the truck out of the way. But, yeah, she's dead as a doornail. Looks like we're gonna need the sugar. Looks like we're gonna need the, oh gross, there's mold in here. Gross. I made this thing a little while ago for opening the trunk. So you snag it on. I need a light. See that green thing back there? That's what we got to snag. Here we go. There we go. Hey. Handy little piece of kit. Okay. There's the battery. Look at this mess. There's ice. Alright, well one foul up at a time. Let's get the car started. Gonna be using our little Motor Master. No, this thing works pretty good. I tried using one of those little Norelco things, whatever you call them. Wouldn't work. Piece of junk. And that's really all we need. The genius that built this thing and made these little end things screw right off should get a serious boot in the ass. Because, if you're out doing this and you drop it and it's like dark, good luck finding it. Yeah, no kidding. Let me get my meter and figure out which is the positive and negative. Hang on. By the way, do you want to see the voltage? 2.9 volts. Okay, let's give her a go. Okay. Holy cow. She started up. Turn this off. Turn that off. Turn that off. Turn that off. How do you use this goofy thing again? How do you use this goofy thing again? I should have realized that dual mode was on and turned that off as well. I got one side on high, one side on 23.5. Warm up. Okay, off. Disconnect. Look at that, it's frozen. A puddle of water frozen in there. Huh. Ooh. Okay, let's get the main rig fired up here. Okay. She's alive! Okay, we gotta let the two vehicles warm up for a moment. We're gonna let the truck warm up. So, turn our heater on. So, we'll come back to you in a few. Man, you talk about your hurt and cleanup jobs. I'll do a better job in the when the weather gets a little bit better. This is just good enough for now. I know it's a really slap-ass job, but like I say, it's good enough for now. This is that car's best friend. As if it ain't wet enough already. I'm already re-wetting it with Febreze. Okay, looks like the car is out of the snow. Vacuumed it up a little bit, gave it a quick wipe with damp rag. Ah, it stank inside, man. It stank. Look at all this McDonald's garbage. There's Old Faithful. There's the old Fusion down there. Yeah. Okay. I usually don't let my cars get pig-penned out so bad, but I never really liked this Fusion all that much. And to be honest, I just kind of, I don't know, lost interest in it, man. It's kind of more the wife's car in a way. But, oh well. I think we're going to end it here. The wife's coming down to help clean up some of this garbage. And they were probably going to go for a little drive. Maybe take it to the car wash. At least clean the outside. Can't do anything else with the inside until it gets nicer out. Plus, it's a lot of work cleaning the inside of the car. Trust me, man. You guys watch some Detail Geek videos. And he does a good job. I wish he was around. I'd bring the car to him. Spend a couple $100 bucks. Okay, take care everybody. Give it a like.